Hello, good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Angelica Ringal Cagete, 29 years old, married, blessed with 2 kids, 9-year-old girl and 6-year-old boy. I'm a family-oriented. I'm a Roman Catholic. I am a high school graduate. I am from Philippines. My hobbies are singing, cooking, and cleaning. And I work as a domestic helper in Qatar for 2 years, since 2021 to 2023. I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 child. My main duties and responsibilities in my previous employer is to taking good care of a child, give him food, helping activities in the school, playing together, and everything. And also, I can manage to taking good care of a newborn baby. And also, I can do all household chores, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, washing the dishes, and marketing, and everything that they need to do in the house. And most especially, I love doing this kind of job. And also, I'm willing to learn your traditional dishes and cultures. Sir, Madam, if you will hire me, I will do all my best to serve your family, and I will treat your family as my family too. And I follow your regulations and responsibilities that you gave me. Sir, Madam, if you will hire me, I will do all my best to fulfill my duties and responsibilities. Have a wonderful day. God bless and thank you.